Guys, good morning and welcome back to another vlog. So it's already like 11 in the morning and let's see what Brian's doing. He woke up pretty early today. Damn, there he is. So yeah guys, today's gonna be a new vlog starting up the Evo, and Brian's been here for a while. I was just eating and I was hanging out with my other cousin Jesse. So yeah guys, stay tuned for this new vlog. Alright guys, so I just finished vacuuming the floor and stuff like that. Brian, he currently left right now, but he went to get some bolts and some coolant for the car so we can actually start it up later. And pretty much this is the progress in the car, guys. And let me know if these look cool or should they go like somewhere else. Let us know your opinion, guys. What do you guys think about the Kirky seat? And then obviously the weight reduction, all that stuff. But yeah, stay tuned guys. Then this one going in. So what do you guys think about the car, how it's coming out so far? Like I mentioned before, there's still a lot like more parts coming for the body, but the motor's all done finally. And the front end looks good. Now working on the interior, and we're also working on the rear, you know, dope look JDM rear, but I think it looks pretty good without the wing so far. Here's a wing, but parachute, duck lip, and JDM rear coming for it. Oh, and red tail lights. So if anyone wants to buy these, they're up for sale. Let me know. Give me an offer. But yeah, guys, we're gonna go on a ride along on my boys Gio's lifted Miata. So let's go on this ride along. How you liking the lifted Miata, Gio?
It's pretty decent so far. It still rubs, so you can hear it. I need like a sledgehammer to hit the inner fender, because you have to hit it like way back for a tire not to rub. But other than when, only rubs when you turn, but other than when you're straight, it's all good.
And the fun thing about lifted Miata, like a monster truck. Keep the phone steady, man, but it's fun.
It's bumpy as fuck.
Woo!
Lap around the farm that Brian have.
So yeah guys, stay tuned. We're still on Yusuf's on his way to turn on the car, guys, so stay tuned.
1,000 miles on it, no rust, no nothing, like brand new, and everything for like $3 grand. So I'm gonna sell that, look at the oil pressure. You actually want to see the oil pressure go up on it, you know.
Is there like something, just like anything works?
Alright guys, so right now we're about to go mudding on the Miata. Yusuf came, he plugged in the pretty much the tune so you can start it up. So the car's already running. He has the semi-tune. So now we're gonna go have some fun. We're gonna probably take out the guns and go mudding, guys. So yeah, if you guys want to see that, we're gonna probably stop with the car stuff for a bit, and yeah, we're just gonna go shooting and mudding with this Miata, lifted Miata. So yeah, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys. So right now, we're gonna go to the backside of our farm. Well, like past, like by the woods, and we're gonna go mudding. We're following Gio with the truck. Since I don't know if I should call that Miata a truck or what, but yeah, guys. And there's a little river right here. Is he going for it? He's going for it. Ah! Ah! Oh, shit. Hell yeah. So this is the back part. This is normally where we ride the ATVs back here, guys. It's so bumpy over there, man. The Miata is gonna. Alright, round 2 of the Miata. Hopefully we don't die. Holy shit, this is it's fucking bumpy up here. Is your door open? Door open? Close the door. Oh. There you go. Air right there. Alright, guys. Well, guys, thanks again for watching, and I think we're gonna end the video right here. If you haven't, please like and subscribe, leave a comment, and stay tuned for more videos of the Miata, the DSM, and obviously the yellow Evo. Peace out, guys.